In this video, we will be learning about three topics. Introduction to bar numbers. Secondly, how to convert simple numbers to bar numbers. And third, a glance at the arithmetic of bar numbers. Okay, so let's get started. Intro to bar numbers. Now, we have these three numbers. So, first of all, what do you mean by these three numbers? Okay, what do you mean by 1, 2 bar? So, 2 bar actually denotes minus 2. And 1 here is at the tens place, so this denotes 10. 2 bar actually denotes minus 2, so this becomes 10 minus 2 and this is 8. So if you write this number or you write this number, this is actually the same, okay, one and the same thing. Now we have 3, 2, 6 bar, okay, so this is 3 is at the hundreds place, so this is 300. And 26, there is a bar on top of 26, so this is minus 26. So the first method is that you simply write it as 300 minus 26 and this will become 274. Okay, and the second method, method number 2, is that you write it as 3, 2 bar, 6 bar. So you solve this first. So this is 30 minus 2, 6 bar. What is 30 minus 2? 28. 28, 6 bar. Now you solve 8, 6 bar. So this is 2. 80 minus 6. Now this is 274. Please note that all these steps have to be done mentally. Okay, I am just showing you these couple of steps so as to tell you the exact manner in which this question is to be solved. Okay. Now we have 3, 3 bar, 5, 6 bar. So 3, 3 bar is actually 30 minus 3, which gives us 27, and 5, 6 bar is 50 minus 6, which gives us 44. So this value 3356 is the same as 2744. Let's move on. Now we have this number. So this is 205 bar oblique 372 bar. Okay, so 205 bar is actually 200 minus 5 and this is 195. 372 bar is actually 300 minus 72, so this is 228. So this number is nothing but 195228. Okay, and moving further. Now let us solve this number. So this is 2051 bar oblique 372 bar oblique 4. Okay, so this is 2000 minus 51, so we can straight away write it as 1949. 372 bar can be straight away written as 228 oblique 4. So this number is 1949228.4. I hope you have understood the concept of bar numbers. Now let's move on. Now we will see how to convert simple numbers to bar numbers. Okay. So now first of all we have 9. 9 can be written as 10 minus 1, which can be written as 10 plus 1 bar, and which can be written as 1 bar. Is this okay? Let's move on. 29 can be written as 30 minus 1, which is further 30 plus 1 bar, which can be written as 3 bar. And lastly 897 can be written as 900 minus 3, which can be written as 900 plus 3 bar, so which can be written as 903 bar. Now, arithmetic of bar numbers is often used as an easier alternative for various calculations. For example, instead of finding 89 cube, we will rather find 9 1 bar cube. Also, instead of calculating 189 into 278, we would rather solve for 211 bar into 122 bar. But all this will be discussed in the upcoming lectures, so stay tuned. Alright, let's move on. Now we will have a glance at the arithmetic of bar numbers. Okay, so let's see how to solve using bar numbers. Now we have an example in which we are doing a addition using a simple numbers. So rather than writing 29, we can write it as 3 1 bar and add 53 to it. Okay, so 3 plus 1 bar is another way of saying 3 minus 1. So this will give us a 2. 3 plus 5 will give us a 8. So the answer should be 82. Okay, let's take another very easy example of subtraction. So if we need to subtract 37 from 83, this is the older way of subtraction. By using bar numbers, we are going to write it as 83 minus 43 bar. Okay, because 37 can be written as 43 bar. Now 3 minus 3 bar. 3 minus 3 bar is another way of saying 3 minus minus 3, which is 3 plus 3. Now this comes out to be equal to 6. All these steps have to be done mentally. Okay, so 3 minus minus 3 will become 6 and 8 minus 4 will become a 4. Now let us take another example of arithmetic. Now we will have a multiplication example. So 29 into 39 should give us an answer of 1131. Now 29 can be written as 3 1 bar and 39 can be written as 4 1 bar. Okay, when we multiply the two, this will give us 1 7 bar and 12. Now don't worry about this calculation because these will be discussed in the upcoming lectures, so stay tuned. And 12 7 bar can be written as 113 bar. Now this is a much easier way of doing this calculation. Now let's take another example in which we will discuss a basic division. Now if we have to divide 897 divided by 3. So rather than writing 897, we are going to write it as 903 bar, and we had discussed this earlier also. Divide by 3, so this will become 103, but there will be a bar on top of 1, so this will be 301 bar, which is nothing but 300 minus 1, which will give you the answer as 299. Again, I would like to repeat myself that all these steps have to be done mentally, and with a little practice and a little patience, you will be able to achieve this level. Thank you.